Hello everyone, I hope you liked our previous video and get more information from us. Today the topic of our video is analyzing Qualtrics surveys tool raising an in-depth examination of cost and value proposition. Now you know that I make a slide for you that you can easily understand about the topic. Now I open a slide. Here is the first our slide is open. Here is the first page of our slide. Now here we mention the name of topic, analyzing Qualtrics survey tool pricing and in-depth examination of cost and value proposition. Now go to the next slide. Introduction. Welcome to the analysis of Qualtrics survey tool pricing. In this presentation we will delve into the cost and value proposition of using Qualtrics for your surveys and research projects. Now go to the next slide. Understanding Qualtrics pricing. To comprehend the cost structure of Qualtrics, we need to examine the various subscription plans, add-on and pricing factors. This analysis will provide insights into the investment required for using Qualtrics. Now go to the next slide. Comparative analysis. Comparative analysis of Qualtrics pricing against its competitors will shed light on its competitiveness in the market. This comparison will highlight the value proposition offered by Qualtrics. Now go to the next slide. Feature versus cost evaluation. We will evaluate the correlation between the features offered by Qualtrics and its associated cost. This examination will help in determining the value for money proposition of the tool. Now go to the next slide. Add-ons and customization. The availability of add-ons and customization options in Qualtrics will be explored to understand their impact on the overall pricing. This analysis will showcase the flexibility of the tool. Now go to the next slide. Return on investment (ROI). Calculating the ROI of using Qualtrics will provide insights into the long-term benefits and the potential costs saving that the tool can offer. This evaluation is crucial for decision making. Now go to the next slide. Customer satisfaction and support. The customer satisfaction levels and the quality of support provided by Qualtrics will be analyzed to understand the added value beyond the pricing. Customer testimonials will be included. Now go to the next slide. Recommendations and best practices. Based on the analysis, will provide recommendations and best practices for leveraging the pricing structure and featuring of Qualtrics. These insights will aid in maximizing the value obtained. Now go to the next slide. Key takeaways. Summarizing the main findings, this slide will highlight the key takeaways from the analysis of Qualtrics survey tool pricing. These insights will guide informed decision making. Go to the next slide, and the last one is conclusion. In conclusion, the analysis of Qualtrics survey tool pricing has provided a comprehensive understanding of its cost and value proposition. This knowledge will empower informed decision and strategic utilization of the tool. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe.